Hello from one of the great venues in world football, the Estadio Santiago Bernabeu in Madrid. My name is Derek Ray, excited to be bringing you match commentary. And alongside me, my broadcasting pot. Might be a chance here. Not quite the clearance they were hoping for. Well, able to survive that attacking push. Really getting stuck in. But he could run onto it here. Still a chance. Marvellous anticipation. And here's the starting 11 for Real Madrid. Thibaut Courtois begins in goal. Federico Valverde plays with Eden Hazard out wide. And the tactical configuration has two players in attack from the very outset. Space for Real out wide. But nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. Could be threatening. Cross fired over. And nothing positive comes of it, unfortunately. They're really pressing their opponents. Well, you know, I think we should always have respect for true midfield maestros, and Luka Modric falls in that cat. Neymar! Well, what a stop that was. And the keeper dicing with danger. No, high quality defending. Messi. Good use of advantage in favour of PSG. It needs an accurate cross. Cuts it back. Opportunity to take the lead. Keeper getting the touch. Oh, a stellar piece of defending.
Well, you sense it's just a matter of time before they do score, Derek. They've been piling on the pressure now and really should be ahead in this one.
Did well to win the ball back. Good work to regain possession. Oh, and a perfect ball now. How about this? He might be able to carve something out. Excellent defending. And the quality of pass needs to be a bit better. Is it going to be? Well, it's great when you can rely on your keeper. Well, he took care of it defensively. Asensio. And he takes it on. Superb block. Modric. Benzema! Flinging himself at it, the keeper. And over it comes. Well, clattered away. Marco Asensio. He could pick out a teammate. Well, he made that interception look routine. In truth, it wasn't. And threading it forward. My goodness, it looked as though he was clean through. And the referee, what will he do here? And it is an early shower for him. Red card.
Well, the outcome...
Understandably, he wanted to give it a go, but straight at the keeper. And good pressure high up the pitch. Well, the keeper reacted. Magnificently. Substitution for Real Madrid. Delivering it. And he clears the danger. Neymar. Verratti. Here's Mbappe. He's blocked it. Can they forge ahead from this corner kick? Let's see. couldn't grab hold of it. Marvellous anticipation. And clearing it away. And Neymar. Went in strongly, decisively. And Paris Saint-Germain with the ball again. Verratti. Vital interception, the danger was very real. Having won the ball back, they might be able to profit. It could be for Mbappe. And the keeper throws himself at the ball. Played over. Insufficient accuracy as regards the corner.
Well, as you can see, they've done everything in terms of creativity. They've made opportunities, but the finishing hasn't been good enough. At some point, they have to finish one of these chances off.
No, not the best challenge. Oh, yes! 1-0 it is! And it doesn't come as a huge surprise. Back underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens next. Well, the counter chance looks very real. And they'll regard that as a very disappointing end to the move. Modric. Still could be dangerous. Well, the goalkeeper got there in the end.
Well, his recovery is brilliant here. So athletic.
They've given it away. It's been slipped through by Marco Verratti. It's in. They're looking really relaxed and confident and not giving the opposition much of a look in. So 2-0 now. The attack looks promising. And let's give credit to the defending. Vinicius Junior. Now this could really lift spirits. Well, there's a keeper on song.
Well, how did he stop that? That's just unbelievable.
And in by Modric. Can they keep it out? Well, able to survive that attacking push. And that is that. Half-time here in the Spanish capital. Well, you have to say... So the second half is underway, and really it was a dizzying performance from Paris Saint-Germain in the first 45. What can Real do from this position? And breaking at pace with menace. Oh, what an opportunity. Oh, it looked as though he might be through. Not so. And you've got to keep the ball a bit better than that. Can he finish? Well, the keeper had a lot of ground to cover. Splendid save. The delivery from Neymar. Well, not on the target. Space was at a premium, though. Vinicius Junior. Excellent challenge. Messi looking for the through ball. Well, he really read that brilliantly. Definitely look as though they want to make this move count. Looking for the angle. Sends it back. Marvellous anticipation. Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? But they took care of the situation defensively. And showing fine vision. And a big moment because the referee has pointed to the spot. Penalty coming up. And on the back of that decision, now it's a caution.
Well, it's a tight call, but in the end...
A goal! Calmly taken spot kick. So the game continues, and that goal puts a different complexion on the match for Real.
Well, it was a close call, but the fans are not happy with that decision.
30 minutes to go then. And space for the cross. Clears it away. Look at Modric. And getting across to stop it.
Well, just listen to the fans. They know this is a big chance here.
PSG are going to switch things around on the personnel front. And played short. This might be ideal for the counter. Can they take advantage of the situation? Well, not to be in terms of the counter-attack. Mbappe. Well, the keeper reacted magnificently. And good pressure high up the pitch. Really sound goalkeeping.
Well, that had to be a goal, didn't it? What a stop that is.
It's Neymar's corner. Well, they couldn't take advantage of the chance. And the flag was up in good time. It's offside.
Well, he should have realised that was going to be offside. That's a poor decision to play that pass.
Disappointing pass. Messi. And he's broken free. Oh, he's given us away inexplicably. What a block! Well, a corner for Paris Saint-Germain. What can they do with it? Well, the goalkeeper doing what he's paid to do. Substitution it is for PSG. Fired in by Neymar. A deft clearance. Well, great read there to intercept. But he tried in vain to get himself back onside.
Well, he needs to show greater awareness there and hold on to the ball a fraction longer.
And unable to keep possession. Well, they're nearly there, PSG. They're almost over the line. They want a victory. Stuart, are they going to get it?
Well, they should have had this wrapped up long ago. Some of their football has been excellent, but they're going to need to be resilient in these final few minutes to get their much-deserved victory.
Well, real difficulty keeping the ball. Neymar. And he read it well defensively. Modric. Now a decent position. Well, it's ended up being, quite frankly, easy for the keeper.
Well, he should be hitting the back of the net. That's a poor effort.
In the right place to cut out the pass. Cleared away. Now, what can Lionel Messi do from here? Can he finish them off? Couldn't quite hang on. Well, the goalkeeper got there in the end.
Well, his recovery is brilliant here. So athletic.
And he read it superbly.
Well, that save has just about kept them in it. But they have to pose more of a threat at the other end.
We might very well have late excitement here. 5 minutes to go. And just one goal between them. Idrissa Gueye. Jorginho Wijnaldum. Wonderful vision from Lionel Messi. And this time it's in! Fabulous goal! And just look at the celebrations. So the ball is moving again. We've been treated to 4 goals. 3-1 the score. Into the advanced position. Could pull one back here. But no! What a glorious opportunity squandered to get back into this.
Well, that had to go in, didn't it? I just can't see them turning this around now.
PSG are going to switch things around on the personnel front. Herrera. He's got the right idea with that pass. And a wonderful diving save to deny the opportunity. Corner kick played in. And clearing is away. Could be a chance to break here. And that will be all. 3 points for PSG. That's the good news for their part.